Hello students, today we will do something from grammar. Okay, so students, first of all, read the following sentences. Okay, he wants to be a doctor. Okay, an apple a day. Okay, keeps the doctor away. Clear? Keeps the doctor away. Okay, this book is very useful. Okay, there is some sugar in the pot. Okay, students, in these above sentences, here a, an, a, the, this, some, all these words warns that a noun is coming. Means after these words, a, an, the, this, some, there is a noun, as you can see here in these examples. Okay, clear? Clear? So what are these things? What are these words? You can say, sorry, this is noun and this is your, what is this? What is and this, some, what are they? Okay, so such words, these such words are determiners. They are determiners. And now a new word that you don't know what it means. Determiners, something that determines or fix. Okay, so let me write the definition. They they fix, comma, define or determine or determine the nouns that follow. Okay, so in today's topic we will learn determiners, what determinants are and what their uses. What are their uses? Okay, clear? So here I am going to write a list of determiners. Here is a list of the most frequently used determiners. Okay, determiners. Okay, so please be care for list of determiners. I'm going to write this list for determinants of determiners. Okay, so here the first is a and the. Okay, and they are called articles. Okay, they are used before a noun to fix their limit. Okay, to determine okay, whether they are used in general sense or in particular sense. Okay, another is this. Okay, that, these, those. And what are they? They are demonstrative determiners. demonstrative determiners. Okay, clear? They are demonstratives. Okay, students, you now keep it in your mind that determiners are followed by a noun. Means there will be a noun after these words. When there is no noun after these words, after like this and that, they will be used as a pronoun on other thing, especially this, that, these, those. Okay, if a noun is followed by them, means if you find a noun after these words, okay, they are called demonstratives. Okay, next one is my, are, your. Okay, my, are, your, his, her. Okay, it's theirs, their. Okay, clear? So these are called possessives. Means these words shows you the possession of a thing, of a noun. Okay, next one is one. Okay, one, two, three, etc. Okay, and they are called cardinal numerals. Okay, clear? Cardinal numerals. And the next one is no, any, some, all, both, either. Okay, neither, or you can say neither. Okay, each, every. Okay, many, much. Okay, few, several. Okay, clear? And less. Okay, etc. These are called indefinite pronouns. Okay, clear? But they are used as indefinite adjective when they are followed by a noun. When you find a noun after these words, it means they have been used as a determiner. Is that clear to all? Okay, for example, let me uh, write some example for you so that you can use. But here, students, let me write a note for you. However, all and such are called predeterminers. Okay, why? Because they are used in this way that I am writing now. I have lost all the best books I had. Okay, clear? All the best book I had. Okay, why they are called predeterminants? Because they are used before a determiner, and you know, the is itself, here you have seen, the is itself a determiner, and here all is also a predeterminer. Okay, clear? Let me write one more example for you so that you can understand. Everyone will love such a beautiful, such a beautiful child. Okay, everyone will love such a beautiful. So here such and a is itself a determiner. So such is predeterminer. Okay. Let's learn use of some common determiners. Use of some common determiners. Okay. First of all, we'll try to learn the use of demonstrative adjectives. Or you can say determiners. Adjectives are, a kind of determiners. Okay, clear? Because they always they are always written before a noun just to qualify, fix it, and to fix the limit of it. Okay, so students, as I told you in the introduction, this, that, okay, or these, those, these are some of the determiners that are used to point to objects, okay, denoted by the nouns that follow them. जो इनके बाद जो आते हैं ना, उन नाउन्स फॉलो देम, जो इनके बाद आते हैं उनको क्या करते हैं, पॉइंट आउट करते हैं कि वेयर दे आर एक्चुअली. ओके, क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हियर this man is a villager. Okay, so what is this qualifies man, this man. Okay, we point out this particular man, this man. Okay, this man is a villager. Okay, that horse runs very fast. So students, let me make it clear to you how we can use this and that. This is used to denote a singular person or a singular noun. It is used for showing a singular noun or subject that is quite near. Okay, clear? Okay, and that is also used for singular noun. Okay, singular noun, okay, that is quite far, at a distance. When something is very far, something is far, and it is in singular form, okay, and you have to point it out, you would use that. And when it is near to you, or okay, and it is also in singular form, use this man पास वाली चीज़ के लिए. Okay, that is used for this, for the noun that is quite far or at a distance. Okay, at a distance. Okay beta. Likewise, these mangoes, okay, these mangoes are very sweet. Okay, those girls must be rewarded. So similarly, when you have to use when you have been given a plural noun, okay, with plural noun use these, that is quite near. Okay, पास वाली जो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं उसके लिए यूज़ करेंगे these, okay, and vice versa. For plural noun, it is used for plural noun, okay, before a plural noun, before plural nouns, okay, and to show that they are quite distant, they are quite far, to point out it that they are quite far, दूर वाले बहुत जो plural चीज़ हैं, plural things हैं, they are denoted by using those. Okay, clear? So this is the use of demonstrative adjective or determiners. Let me tell you something about another, that is possessive, possessives or possessive determiners. Okay, clear? Mm, here the possessives are my, our, his, her, their, okay, its, and your. We use them likewise. Okay, clear? And these are the possessive form of pronouns. Okay, these are the possessive form of pronouns, but students, they are not possessive pronoun, they are actually possessive adjective. Okay, what do you mean by adjective, possessive adjective, and what is the difference between them? It will be told you later. Okay, but before that, keep it in mind that these words are possessive adjective as they are used before a noun to show what to show the possession of something. Okay, clear? For example, my father is a famous physician. डॉक्टर है, तो whose father? My father. The possession of father is to me. Okay, my father. Okay, next, her books lie scattered in the room. Okay, her books lie scattered in the room. So what is her? Her shows the possession of the books. Clear? Okay. And now let me tell you the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Okay. If I say, I have lost all my books, सारी बुक्स खो दी, तो what is my? Okay, read another example. This book is mine. Okay, this book is mine. So what is this? My is followed by a noun, so it is what? It is possessive adjective. What is this? This is possessive adjective. Okay, and mine, this book is mine, मेरी है, but mine is not followed by any noun, so it is called possessive pronoun. Is that clear? And same with demonstrative adjective. For example, this is followed by book, so what is this? It is demonstrative adjective. Okay, if I say this is my book, this is my book, so what is my? My is possessive adjective, or you can say determiner. Okay, and what is this is called demonstrative pronoun. Okay, clear? Okay, let's move to next type, that is cardinal numbers, cardinal numerals 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, okay, he is blind of one eye. Okay, so what does one, एक आंख से अंधा है. Okay, so what is one? One tells you about the cardinal numerals. Okay, next, she has two brothers. Okay, so how many brothers? Two. Okay, tell you the number. Okay, next, the first boy in the row is dozing. Okay, so which boy? The first boy. What is this? The first, it is show, it is, these are the cardinal numerals. These are called cardinal numerals. Okay, and what is first? First showed you ordinal. Okay, there are two kinds of numerals beta, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinals are 1 2 3 4 5, as we do in counting. Okay, and first, second, third. Ordinals, that tells you about order or sequence of things. Okay, rank of something, like first, okay, second, third, okay, and so on. Okay, clear? Second division, okay, first rank. Is that clear? Okay, then move to next one. Next one is, I am going to tell you how to use each and every. Okay, each and every. So each is used for two or more persons, two or more persons. Okay, or things that are definite, means when you are aware how many they are. Okay, when their number is quite definite. Okay, use each when you know the exact number of these things. And while every is used more than two persons or things, two persons or things. So, and these are used for indefinite. Students, keep it in your mind that you have to use them as I am telling you in the given examples. Okay, for example, each boy must have his own book. Okay, here possessive pronoun would be his. Okay, and each boy means when you know the exact number of boys in a class, you would use each boy. Okay, clear? And they are actually used for two or more than persons, but then the number would be definite. Okay, each boy. She comes to me every day. And here, what does every shows you? Every shows you the indefinite number of days. Okay, every day. Clear? Each members of the party was garlanded. सबको माला पहनाई गई बेटा. Okay, so each members number of members is quite definite, that's why we have used each. And last for today's, that is every man is expected to do his best. कि हर व्यक्ति से कहा जाता है, एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि वो अपना बेस्ट करेगा. ओके, क्लियर? So students, this is all from my end. Okay, I hope you have learned something new, or even we'll try to continue with this topic in next video as well. Okay, you all are advised to watch this series complete. Okay, so that you can easily attempt the exercise, or you can easily solve the exercise that we will give you in time to come. Okay, thanks for watching this video beta. Thank you very much. Okay, I would write thanks. Okay, and here to be continued. Okay, thank you.